Are you facing an error while uploading .zip theme on your WordPress website? The error is that a theme didn't upload successfully and shows some notification. So how to solve this? So hi all, welcome to Retry Coder, and Sam is here with another awesome tutorial. First of all, go to your WordPress website and click on appearance theme. First of all, I'm going to show the error type. Add new, upload the theme, choose file, and I'm choosing some file. I have a WordPress theme and .zip format. I click on it and hit on open, and you can see that it's .zip file installed, and it shows some error unpacking the theme. So why this error occur? So program, here you first open the theme by double clicking, and you can see that the zip file has a child directory, fashionist, and here all the directories which I need. These are all our WordPress directories which I need. You can extract the fashionist and open the fashionist. Select all the files, right click, add to archive, choose the .zip, and can change also the name is like org and hit on OK. You can see that our theme is ready. So here is an important point. When I double click on it, you see that all the directories available, not the directory which earlier chose. So we need this. I cut it and back to programs and paste it here. The difference between two I will show you. I open this and also open this. So you can see that here it shows a single directory. Here you see all the directories. So again, go to your WordPress theme and refresh back to, and again another try, upload theme, choose file, and this time I'm choosing fashionist.org, open and install, and you can see that it's successfully installed. I am choosing to activate it, and you can see that it's uploaded successfully, and open it. So it's a simple video, and I hope your query is also solved. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit on bell icon. By this you will never miss my another videos. All the videos is based on your problems. So if you have any query regarding any program and any software, then you put your comment in the description. I will definitely make a tutorial on this. See you till the next video.